Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Oops.
Okay, what are we doing, Adley?
The 3 glue challenge.
Yeah, 3 glue challenge.
All right, let's put them all on and then you can pick. Okay, close your eyes. Get 1, get 2, get 3.
Whoa.
Whoa.
You got 3. You got some good ones. What colors did you get?
Pink, red, blue.
Oh, good job. And what are we
Those are
gonna
good
do with them?
Make slime.
Yeah.
Slime. What is that gonna look like? Is it gonna turn out like brown?
Sometimes it's crazy. Dad's turn. Go first.
Oh, I grabbed my own?
Yeah.
Oh.
You peeking. You totally peeked.
I didn't peek. Wow, I got Space Station Gaming ones.
Hey, come over with me, guys.
You got purple and green and red. I'm ready.
Cheers. We gotta get our
Hey,
containers.
that's yours. Okay. Mommy's. Mine.
Okay, what do we do first?
Dump the glue in.
We gotta dump the glue in. Okay. I've never made slime before. This is legit my first time and I'm actually kind of excited. How do I do this without making a mess? Do I just make a mess?
Whoa.
Whoa. Now I get why you guys do this all the time. This is actually way fun.
Me and Adley are doing red.
And I'm doing gold because I'm the king. Me and Adley have a game where she chases me around in the morning and I'm the king and she's the monster and she's trying to get the king. I got all my gold.
Okay. Should we do another color?
You got all your red?
Yeah.
Okay, let's dump another one. Which one do you want to do? Pink?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do green.
Doing silver.
Oh.
This is so cool. Adley, your YouTube channel's fun.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start making slime on the best day ever.
There's a bubble. And then I make pink.
What's next?
Blue.
Blue.
Ugh.
Ooh, I got purple.
Now I'm doing yellow.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh.
Woo. Woo.
Okay. Oh, that looks crazy.
Yours is cool.
And then I make blue.
Whoa.
What do we need? Spoons.
Spoons?
Yes, blue.
What one do you want? The green? What do you want? Look how cool this looks.
Mine is getting into a rainbow.
Wow, that's cool.
What does yours look like, Adley?
Ooh, it looks like candy.
Mine's a rainbow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take mine to work and play with it for reals.
What's next?
Baking soda.
Okay, let's put some in.
Oh my god.
Okay, how much do you do?
Oh, that's good.
How do you know how much to do?
Just go for it. Okay, stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir.
Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir.
Crazy and
Oh, it looks so pretty. You gotta stir it up. This is legit my first time ever making slime and I'm way into it. It's fun.
Wow, mine's getting cool.
Yours looks like caramel, apple, cherry, apple candy, applesauce.
Dip it in apples, I guess. Stir, 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 stir.
Stir, stir, stir. Okay, mine's ready.
Mine's ready.
What's next?
baking soda.
We just did
We did that. What do
Should
we
we
do
add
after?
saline?
Cereal.
Okay.
How much?
Baking
Just gotta
soda.
go for it.
I went for it.
Okay.
I don't know, is that a lot?
It's okay. Okay, Mom's turn.
Is that a lot?
We did lots, huh? Ooh, mine's starting to look gooey and
Mine's-
slimy.
Mine's like gooey and slimy. You don't need baking soda. I need more baking soda.
You need some more too?
Oh, I guess I'll follow. More baking soda for everyone. What does baking soda do?
I don't know.
All right. How'd you know you need more of it?
Because it's too slimy. So is Adley's the best.
Adley did the best job.
Yours is so pretty, Adley. I can't get over it.
This is still gluey. Is it ready? What have yours? Have yours.
He's almost ready.
I think mine's close.
Mine's almost ready too. Okay, Adley, we're gonna get dirty, okay?
I don't want to get
Oh, it's okay, and then we'll wash.
Whoa! Look at that, touch my hand. Oh!
Okay, I'm gonna grab mine. I'm gonna get
grab
sticky
mine.
too.
Ooh!
It's not slime. It's just like a sticky mess.
Slime fail!
Well, I guess it's slime. It's just like Adley. Look.
Look at mine. Bottom line is, guys, we did not have enough ingredients for 3 times the slime.
My first time making slime, and it was a success. Hey, Adley, high five! High five!
Oh wait, Adley's is pretty good.
Hey, grab yours.
I think yours is actually almost there.
Look, Adley, and watch. This is funny. Watch.
So my red, green, and what else did I have? Purple? Turned into puke. How did those colors
Yours
mix
turned
it?
into puke. Mine's puke. Look at
No,
this.
Yours is like leprechaun puke though.
Adley, high five.
High five. Don't get it in hers.
Okay, I'm done. Bye, vlog. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.